Hello everyone, Bruce here with a short video that's going to help you get a question on the Microsoft MTA, the Python MTA exam correct. So let's dig in. This video won't take that long. So line number 4, statement number 4 is importing the DateTime library from the standard Python library. Line 7 is saying take the DateTime and call the now method, and which is going to give you the current date and time on the computer that you're running this program on. And now it's going to save it to this variable called now. Now, these are all different string type formatting properties of the date object that you should know about. %A is the shortened day of the week name. Capital %A, long day of the week name. So today is Friday, so the short version would be FRI, right? The capital %A would give you the full date, Friday, the full day of the week name. And then you have %D, which is the day number. %M is the month number. %B is the month abbreviation. Capital %B is the full month name, right? MAR for the short, March for the full name. %Y, lowercase, is the year's last 2 digits, like 20. And %Y would be the full year, 2020. Now, you can use those two things, and especially on the exam, I think it's mostly the way it is on line 21, where you have this special formatting here where you're using kind of almost like an F string, but you're using dot format, which was covered in the Zell book, chapter 5. Now is the thing we want to format right here. But %B, right, the capital B would be what? It would be the full month name. %D, lowercase, is the day number. A comma, and then %Y, capital Y, is the full year. So by placing a colon in front of these things here with dot format, you can get something that looks like, and let me run this so you can see it, right? This thing right down here, okay? Right over here, March 6, comma, 2020. The one above it where it says Friday, 06/20, 2020, that is this thing right here, which is using string ftime, which is a method right here. I found it on the Python site right here, which says return a string representing the date controlled by an explicit format string. Now, that format string is this thing right here. So it just puts it in quotes. It's a method, so it's going to take parentheses and a string inside that just contains, the way in which you want to print out the date, all right? There's also more for the time, which I have below. I don't know. I don't remember seeing any of that on the exam. So you may just want to remember those too, right? Capital H for hours, capital M for minutes, S for seconds, and lowercase p for AM or PM, all right? So again, I think you want to just go over this. I'll let you see the code here. Let me just see if I can get it on the full screen for you. So you can stop the video, type some of this in, get familiar with it, work those muscles in your head to memorize this stuff. So good luck, because I know you're going to see this question, and I know that you'll all get it right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.